Hey guys, sorry I can't join you live, but hopefully this can help out. You want to make sure you're in Unit 2, Week 13. Today's December the 2nd. We're going to go ahead and get started with your bell ringer today. Alright, first off, we have here a negative 11 plus a negative 21. Since these signs are the same, what you're going to do is you are going to add up the signs. So in this, or add them up. 11 plus 21, that's going to give you 32. And we're going to keep the negative sign. All right. Next one, negative 4 plus 1. We're adding. The signs are different. Since they're different, you want to subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. And since negative 4 is farther from 0 and it's negative, our answer is going to stay negative here. Now right here, now don't type this into the answer key, but I just want to show you. If this is subtraction, it is keep, change, change. That means keep the 3, change the minus to a plus, and change the negative 2 to a positive 2. So when we say 3 plus 2, that is going to equal 5. Next up, we're multiplying negative 4 times negative 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And then a negative times a negative is a positive. Now let's go for our division from yesterday. This is 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And a negative divided by a positive is a negative. You're going to click submit. And then you are going to click the next button. Alright, today's objective, you're going to be able to add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers, and you're going to be able to discuss with your neighbor how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So you want to make sure, fill out one of these sentence stems right here, so you can pause the video right here, pick a sentence stem, fill it out, and post it into our comments right there. All right, next you're going to open up the assignment with Cami, and I've already done that. And we're going to get started today. I'm going to get you started on about the first 3 rows right here. And then after that, you are going to do the rest. Once you're finished, you're going to do the exit slip, and then you are going to work on Dreambox. Make sure you get an hour's worth done. So let me come to my pad right here. All right, let's start. You want to look at your sign right here. We are adding. If we're adding, we look at our numbers. A negative 5 and a negative 4. So the signs are the same. So we add them together, keep sign. Right here we are multiplying. So first we want to start off by multiplying 4 times 7. That gets us 28. And then a negative times a negative is a positive. Right here we are subtracting. Remember with subtraction, we are keep, change, change. We're going to keep this 6 the same, change this minus to a plus, and change this negative 2 to a positive 2. So 6 plus 2, that just gives us 8. Right here, we are adding. So we're going to look at our signs. Our signs are different. If they're different, we subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. Keep the sign of the number farthest from 0. Right here, this is a division sign. If it's dividing, we're just going to divide like normal. 18 divided by 6, that's 3. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Right here, we are multiplying, so we're going to multiply straight across. 1 times 5 is 5, and a negative times a positive is a negative. Coming right here, we're multiplying. So 2 times 7 is 14, and a negative times a negative is a positive. All right, we're going to come right here. We got some multiplying going here. 8 times 3 is 24, and a positive times a positive just stays a positive. Last one for my examples here today, we're adding, so it means we're going to look at our signs here. Signs are different. We're going to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. All right, so I've helped you with the first 9. I want you to do the rest on your own. Once you are finished, you're going to do the exit slip and then you're going to do dream box.